Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I have brought a summary for you. Summary of the chapter Fly Away by Rolf Helfer. Rolf Helfer was a skillful animal trainer. Once he received a call from the director of the film to train the 5,000 flies for one of the scenes in the film. The demand was that these 5,000 flies would be shown crawling on the artificial dead-looking thing lying on the forest floor. Initially, the flies have to crawl on the dead body, then on the command, they would fly on it. It put Helfer to test as one cannot pet a fly and train it. He went to his close friend, Professor Jonathan Ziller, an entomologist, and told him his need over a cup of coffee. Ziller gave him a batch of fly larvae, which, according to his calculation, would hatch on the morning of the shoot. Besides, he gave him a vial of harmless tranquilizer in a gas capsule. He told Helfer what to do. On the morning of the shoot, all flies hatched. The director and the crew had suspicious looks in their eyes. But Helfer and his trainer carried the fly house and sat near the camera. Rolf opened the door of his fly box. Hiding the capsule in his hand, he broke open the capsule and closed the door. After 15 seconds, the buzzing stopped. Then he opened the door and scooped out 3 or 4 handful of flies and put all over the body. And he was dramatically counting the last few in order to put an impression on the people that he knew their number. After a few moments, the gas had dissipated and Helfer commanded the flies to crawl. Slowly, the flies started to awaken, then moved around, but they were too drowsy to fly. The crew was shocked to see the flies crawling on command. After having gotten enough footage, the director shouted for the next shoot. Helfer commanded the flies to take off. He clapped his hands and stamped foot at the same time. 5,021 flies flew up, around and around until the director said, "Cut." The entire crew burst into applause and delighted laughter. The director slapped Helfer heartily on the back and resolved to take his service in future too. This is all about the summary of the chapter Fly Away by Rolf Helfer. Coming to your question number 1 given in the exercise, what was Helfer asked to do? Your answer is Helfer was asked to train 5,000 flies by the director of film for one of his shoots. The flies would be shown crawling on some artificial dead-looking thing lying on the ground. After that scene, the flies would fly on the dead body on the command of the director. Helfer was commanded to train them so perfectly to make the scene successful. It had put Helfer to test. Question number 2 is, what plan did he develop? Now, Helfer developed a plan with the help of his good friend Professor Jonathan Ziller, who was an entomologist and researcher. Professor gave him a batch of fly larvae which would hatch on the morning of shoot along with the vial of harmless tranquilizer. Helfer would break open the capsule inside the fly box and all the flies would be put to sleep. Once the gas had dissipated within moments, the flies would awaken and would start crawling on the body till the time they recovered their senses and would be able to fly. This is how he planned the whole plan with the help of his friend, Professor Jonathan Ziller. Question number 3 is, what happened at the shoot? And your answer is, Helfer took his fly box and sat near the camera. The director called for Helfer. Helfer reached the fly box, opened the door, broke open the capsule inside the box. Within moments, the flies were put to sleep. Then he opened the door and scooped out 3 or 4 handful of flies and spread on the dead body. On the command of the director, he gave them verbal cue and slowly the flies started to awake because the gas had dissipated. The flies, too drowsy to fly, started crawling on the dead body. After having enough footage, the director shouted for the next scene. On this, Helfer ordered the flies to take off by clapping his hands and stamping his foot. In this way, 5,000 flies flew up, round and round until the director ordered cut. The entire crew burst into applause. Question number 4 is, how did the director and crew react? The director and the crew were all hypnotized when everything was going on. Previously, they were suspicious and did not believe that Helfer could make it possible. But when the performance was over, they got up from their amazed state and the entire crew burst into applause and delighted laughter. The director slapped Helfer heartily on the back in high praise. He admired his talent and decided to get his services in future as well. My dear students, this is all about the summary and question answers of the chapter Fly Away. Please press the like button once you have seen it so that I may know that you have liked and appreciated my efforts. Thank you so much.